It's lunchtime. It is windy, so this video might go down the pan with the wind thing. I've put the GoPro onto wind mode, and I've got a secondary mic in it with the adapter and everything. It's a Hero 7, and we've got a Boya mini mic with a dead cat on it, so big bump. Yeah, it's just a test really. If the sound comes out alright today, I mean, I've got a mask, I've got my snood on, so if you're getting good audio through my snood and in this wind, then I'm not going to be scared of too much wind wise doing videos. Whee! It's trying to blow me off the scooter. Oh. I've had to tighten the string up on my hat. It keeps trying to blow off. Oh. If I can get to a fairly quiet bit, I'll tell you what just happened. The wind's so bad. It's a bit more covered up ahead. Hey, bit of wheelie spinny. Come on. This corner might be a bit better. It's a bit more grown. Yeah, it seems to be a little quiet zone here. So I'll tell you what happened. I found a environmental agency guy doing some river samples. I didn't film it sadly, but yeah, we was having a chat. I was saying that I just keep a lookout for things and check on the wildlife and that, and he's like, you know, he's pleased with that. And there's nothing, no spills or anything. It's just a 2-weekly test they do. They spot check all over the place. It's good to know that they're doing that, isn't it? I thought so anyway. No, thanks guys. Alright mate. I wonder if the boys there. Oh, I won't say it. I was going to say, I wonder if they're community service or something. I did say it. Sorry guys, no offence. You might be professional gardeners. Oh, just made me wonder. Woohoo! So last time I come along here, there's a buzzard in this tree, but I couldn't get an angle on him. And to be honest, where that tree is there, you know, you think he was sitting on one of them branches, but there's loads of little branches in front of it, and I could not get the camera to play. Just kept focusing on something else. But yeah, that would have been a nice little video of a buzzard hanging out in a tree. It's good range. I find the buzzards around this area that they're quite spooked. Certainly not tame. And the red kites are even worse. They see you coming and they're gone. But over the years I've really trained myself to spot strange things in trees that don't look quite right, sort of thing, you know. And I'll investigate binoculars and yeah, you know, it might be an owl sitting there or something. I'm a good spotter. I'd like to get a dog that was a spotter as well. You can get some that do that, can't you? Pointers. I don't know, I wouldn't want a hunting dog. I've got Crow here. Looks like he's got a bone. There's two of them. What are they doing then? Can't see anything. If they were hanging around, I'd give them a peanut. Oh, there he is. He's sitting up in that tree there, look. See him? A little bit sticky. Woohoo, bit of wheel spin. Yup, no standing water. So we're not wheel spinning or anything. Aha! We have some swans. Well, what do you know? Is this on? Yes, it is. Look, swans, and they've spotted me. Where's a good place to do you? I want to be able to get close enough. There you go. I'll do you here, guys. We just give them all of what's left. Oh. It's actually floating swan pellets and sugar-free cornflakes. They're not all sugar-free, so source them well. I think it's the Sainsbury's ones maybe that are sugar-free. There's a lot of diving ducks up here. That'll keep them guys busy for a minute. Look at all the diving ducks. If I can get a little, I can show you a little bit better with this maybe. If you can see the screen, which you should, because the sun's good. They're tufted diving ducks. Do get a snapshot, but honestly, look at them all. It's a little meeting going on. All calm down. Ah, I'm not talking to myself for once. Hello. Ooh. So yeah, we had a bit of rain yesterday, as you can see, but it did make a few paths. We've had to go a different way because it was just a bit too soggy. No point risking it when there's another option right there. There's a lot of trash arriving here. There's a few bushes there and people have been chucking rubbish in there. Here we go. Can you see these crows ahead? They saw me and they're waiting. This is where I feed them. Bless. They were waiting. They know which way I come. Hello. You're very patiently waiting, weren't you? That's all I got. Just take it wide. And you can see they're straight on that. They were waiting for me. I have crow friends everywhere. Need a bit sticky. Right. Got any ducks? No ducks. It's a funny old colour. The colour of this water, it's like a grey. Weird. It's more the colour it used to be years ago. Then they dredged it and it cleared up a bit. But it's very sort of standing. Rarely flows because it's the old mill race. See the heron? He's a fakie. Quite clever. Looking in the water. Till you know about him, does make a double take. Alright guys, he's getting huge. Little wheel wash. Here we got a pussycat. Now there's twins. There's two of these. One sits up here and watches over. His mate goes exploring. He keeps a lookout. This one. Oh, hello, big boy. Look at that. He just jumped up there easy. Hello. They used to fit under that gate. Guess it's has to jump it now.